Yes, the company sent me this backup camera kit. These things work really good, and I'm going to show you a little bit about it. It does have solar, night vision. It's HD imaging, and it's easy to install. And I'm going to show you all of that. Let's unbox it. Now, I've already kind of looked in here. We'll make sure I had everything correct. We're going to take this out and uh, bring all this stuff together. And it's got all kinds of hookups, which makes it easy because uh, because you can go a number of different ways on this to hook it up. And I'm actually going to hook it up here in just a minute and give you an idea of how this works. This right here is a monitor. Now, these right here, I just put these on here, but I'm going to take this off and show you. This one has, the monitor has two antennas, and that's the antennas. And they literally just screw on the back right here. So I'm going to put that on there again to show you how that works. You do want to do that, and it amazes me the distance that you can go away. So if you have a really long trailer, it hooks up really well. Now, this is the cord that goes to it, but you've got a couple of different ways to hook this up. You can hook it up to a cigarette lighter. You can hook up to electric. Now, my pickup has electric in it, but it doesn't have a cigarette lighter. And also, you've got a USB that hook up. So what we're going to do right here is I'm going to show you a little bit. I've got a plug right here. I'm going to plug in. I've got it plugged into electric right here. Now these have a switch right here that actually turns it on and off. And we're going to plug this in right here. Now I have the camera. Actually, the camera's sitting right here. Now another thing I didn't mention, this also has an antenna, and it goes on right there. That way you see that. Now I really like the way these things work. I'm going to turn it on right here. Okay, light beep. Takes it just a second. It shows no signal, and then there it is. There I am. So that, and it's got full batteries, and that also that shows that. Now right here on the camera, this is an on-off button you can use, and now this is solar. Right here's the solar part of it. You can put it outside, and it will keep it charged. And also right here, open this up, you've got a charge cable. That's what this is right here. That's a charge cable that if it's cloudy or whatever, and I like to, when it's brand new, I went ahead and charged it full. So you see all those lights, that means it's full. So that's a basic part of it right there. Now this right here is adjustable. You can adjust that camera, if you can see it right here. Now we've got it in our trailer here, but so you can adjust it to whatever angle you want. So that's it. I'm gonna go back in here, and there I am. So, and the other things I'm gonna show you out here is, but this right here is the hookup you can put on your vehicle. I'll show you how that works. Actually, I'm gonna turn this off and go into the back and show you how that works. Right here, you've got these mounts. There's holes in there for the mounts, and this is what you're going to mount it with. And if, as you see right here, those are going to go on. Just hit it right in it, and you just push it up to lock it in place. That's locked in place. Now this thing is adjustable for whichever direction you want, and so that works really good. Now this has, you need to take this off to go on your window or the dash or whatever you want, because that was brand new. And then that you can set it to whichever way you want. So we're going to go outside, and I'm going to show you a little bit what our usage that we have for these cameras. All right, so I'm go ahead and put this on the back of my pickup to give you an idea how this works. This thing is a really heavy magnet right here, and so this is aluminum. So this right, you got to put it on a steel, and so right there I've got it set. Now we're going to adjust it where I can see back here. The antenna's on here, and the solar is out here. It's good to have that solar out where the sun can get to it. Now I've got this hooked up to my pickup right now, and so let's go inside my pickup and look and see what it looks like from inside. All right, so I'm in my pickup, and I had to hook it up to my have my 110 hookup right here, which it comes with the adapter that's right here. And so I've got that here. That is a switch, the on off switch to turn it on. And uh, I've got that put on my bumper back there and back. And you can see that's my RV. And I can hook it up to my RV. I have a cargo trailer. I have another trailer that I can use these on. And so this thing works really good. And you see how clear that is. See my little dog? My dog is right there if you can see that. So
To do that, you'll need an internet connection.
so sorry about that. I'm playing my phone. So right here, it does show how much battery that I have right there and right there. It's got a good connection. And so there's a few different things that we can do with this. You can go into settings, which is a little gear area right there. You can show the pairing. If you want to change the picture up a little bit where it's clear, you can do that. And once you get it set the way you want it, all you do is push OK for a separate camera. See, if you have two cameras, now I only have one on this one, you can actually set up a two-camera system. And there you go back to the one-camera system. Anything and any adjustments you make, you've got a arrow here and an arrow here there to be able to make whatever adjustments that need to be made. But this is clear. We don't need anything else. And like I said, what I love about it, I can take this and I can hook it up to my big. I got a 40-foot RV. I've got actually I have a 30-foot RV and a 14-foot cargo trailer. And she's showing you back there, give you an idea of how we got it all hooked up and everything. Now I do have it, the suction cup and everything on there as I had showed earlier. But this is amazing, and the great thing about it is, it as clear as it is and everything, it's never that clear at night. So this is so versatile because you can use it on anything. Now it does have to be a metal, a steel, for it to magnetize on. One thing I will tell you, be very careful when you pull it off. That thing is a really strong magnet. You don't want to scratch your paint or anything that you put it on. So take it both hands to take the camera off whenever you move it.